How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So if you want to fix the Facebook profile lock option not showing, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook. And once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Once you enter the 3-bar, now you just need to simply go with the profile. And under profile, if you go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon on the middle of your screen, you will have lock profile option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to lock your profile, right? But if you don't have that option right there, then you can simply go with the search, which is on the upper right. And from here, you can search for Facebook profile, and it will take you to the Facebook Help Center, where you can simply tap on Go to Help Center, and it will direct you to how to lock your Facebook profile. But if you don't have the lock profile option, and if you want to get that option, then you might need an update. So make sure to update your application, and even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then make sure that you are on the list where the profile lock option is available. So if you're not on the list, like it might only be available in some countries or in some regions. So if you're not on the list, then you might not have that option. But if you're on the list and if you're still not getting the option, then you can go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings and privacy, go with help and support, and tap on report a problem, and tap on continue to report a problem. And once you tap on report problem, then it will take you to this kind of page where you can include or you can don't include the complete logs and diagnostics of your report. So I'll be choosing don't include, and here you can simply choose the reason. So I'll be choosing profile option. And once you tap on profile, now it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply describe the issue. So you need to write, hello Facebook team, I'm not being able to lock my profile, so please help me with that problem. And once you entered everything, you can simply go with the send option, which is on the upper right, send button. And once you send, you will receive some help from Facebook Help Center. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.